smoke one.
Yeah, man.
Beauties, look at that.
Woo! Oh yeah!
What the heck?
In one socket, out the back, just like that.
That's it.
That's it.
Decent?
Yep. That's
Sweet.
good. I would put them up a little bit so the point is just like that. You want to right on the point.
Good deal. So they'll really smash it when they hit it.
When you get a good bite, it'll be boom, 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 boom. You know, you'll know. And then you'll get that one that's a little harder, and you got to be quick with it. There he is.
Oh yeah.
Oh, very small.
They're not right over there.
Little togs. Check these teeth out. He's got buck teeth. If you get them open.
So new species on the tour. We got Tautog. I've never heard of this
Tautog.
fish until
Tautog.
Tautog. All right, man. Nice work.
Yeah. Let's get some bigger ones.
Yeah, I gotta get.
Oh, you had them.
Yeah.
Robbed you.
Yeah.
Nice.
Definitely had one that time. That felt like a more serious
A little
bite.
bit.
Oh my god. Come on, man.
Another swing and a miss.
Dude, that guy thumped it. Probably the only one down there, and he's just been feasting. Oh, that's cool.
Nice little fish.
Pretty.
That's a little one, man.
That's bait.
I'm getting worked by these fish. Oh, it came off. There you go. Nice.
A little better. Come on, girl. Got him. Got him.
Come on, fish.
Looks like a good one, man.
Diesel one. Come on, baby. I felt the thump that time.
Oh, yeah. Good one, man. Oh.
Oh, could have had the double.
That was a good bite. Let's see if I
Awesome.
can get it.
Whew, they're slimy.
They're tough to handle.
Yeah, they're very
They're hard
slimy.
to unhook.
First Tautog. Look at that. New species for the tour.
Nice.
For me personally. We're gonna get this fish back in. Get another one. Eating them crabs on the bottom.
He's just got me wrapped. He's off. Yeah, he had me wrapped up on the island. It's a little better one. Little blackfish.
So this is what that's your fifth fish, seventh fish now? Seventh fish?
Oh, I should have counted. Got him.
Finally.
Oh yeah.
What the heck? Got an angry one. Oh yeah, he's a decent one. Come on up. Hey, I haven't caught many, but I've caught good ones.
Oh, that's a real good one, bro. That's what I was looking for.
There we go. He's about 15.
Nice. That's what they need to be to keep.
15 and a half, barely. Finally learning this technique, getting a good sized tog in the boat. Jesus, teaching us slowly but surely, getting the hang of these bites. So that's a pretty decent sized one. He said if they were in season, this would be a keeper. So Angler Tour scores a good tog. We're gonna get
Good
this guy
eating,
back
man.
in.
Good eating.
What's the comparable taste?
A very thick flounder. Beautiful. Good work, man. Good work.
Dude, they are so slimy though.
You gotta feel it on your hands.
Yeah, it's like trying to hold an eel. Alex is doing his drone thing. We came out here, we caught one of our 2 species that we wanted to catch. We caught a good tog. I'd never heard of them before, but they fight hard, man. That one pulled drag.
Yeah, they're fun fish to catch, especially on a jig.
Yeah, so that was sweet. We're bouncing over now to, where are we going, up creeks?
We're gonna go transition and we're gonna fish the sod banks for topwater striped bass.
Fishing topwater striped bass. We tried that once in Lanier, didn't get any topwater action. So hopefully we can make it happen here. But yeah, we're going up to some different areas. We're going up around this bridge here. Say hi to the drone.
That's a cool shot.
It's been fun so far. Weather is perfect. We'll catch up with you guys once we hit the creeks. Beautiful out here.
I can see it. I can see it coming up on here.
All right, we're fishing with the Tactical Anglers popper here. This thing, it looks pretty.
Oh, they chug, man. They chug. I'm fishing a Smack It Junior. Jersey special. Hit the left side once you get going first.
I'll tell you what, this rod is not ready for something that I'm like scared. You just never, it could happen anytime.
Any second, yeah. You never know. These stripers crush it. Unreal. They're usually not shy. Oh, there it is. Oh, it's full.
Oh! That's sunset. This has got to be like the most epic fishing sunset we've had on the tour so far.
Glad to show it to you. Keep it going. You still there? Pop it up. Pop it up.
Oh shoot.
It's good here, man. There's a couple.
There's a few
You guys
fish.
come up.
That just happened out of nowhere. I'm gonna try and double up with you. Find it. Good fish?
Decent, man. Very nice.
With a backdrop like that.
With a backdrop like that, they're all nice. These are real nice. Good fish. Look at that. Oh.
That job?
I'll just look him. He ate this thing good. Look at that, man. He swallowed that plug. He's barely hooked.
Forever. That's a pretty dope picture. Stripers.
There she goes.
First saltwater striper
Yeah,
on the
man.
tour.
Woo.
Awesome work, bud.
I got a TA popper on this rod too if you want to try. Oh my god!
Oh!
I was just reeling it in. I wasn't even. I got him.
Yes.
You see how I have this hook fish? This fish hook. I've never seen this happen before.
That is silly.
Never in my life.
He really was angry.
I got a bass ball.
Bass ball.
That's a bass ball.
Oh my god. Guess that's one way to do it.
Yeah, I was steady retrieving, bringing it in. Another nice little schoolie for the topwater.
So what we're doing right now, we're running and gunning. We got daylight fading. As you guys can see, he's already got 2 stripers in the boat. We've got a whole boatload of tog going on. I mean, the fishing's been great so far, so I'm just trying to get my first striper, and we're gonna hit a few more spots here before sun goes down, and then check the plan after that. But gotta catch a fish real quick.
Oh, one up there. You see that?
See one?
Yeah.
Up farther or up
Yeah. About double this cast.
Gotcha.
Up on that edge. Double that cast. You see that? Uh-oh.
Oh, there he is!
Yeah, baby!
Two double!
Doubles!
Double top water!
Doubles! Let's go!
Woo! Yeah!
Get in the boat!
I thought I saw some fish up there.
Yeah, you called him, bro. You called him.
Yeah! Striper! Woo!
Yeah,
Beauties!
man.
Look at that. Chase has got us out here, tackle direct, showing us the way.
Smack It Junior and the Tactical Angler Popper.
Beautiful. You can get both these at tackle direct too, so
100%.
we're gonna get these fish back in.
Yeah.
Awesome.
That's what I'm talking about.
Baby.
As soon as mine hit the water, I didn't even get a pop on it.
Oh, that was sick. That was so sick. Oh yeah.
There he is.
Got him.
Got him.
No idea if it's a good fish or not. Oh yeah.
Oh, I got him right here.
Oh no, man, he's a little guy.
It's alright.
Still fun. Woo! Dude, nice guide in there. You guided me right onto that fish. That was awesome.
Got him.
Chase is putting us on plenty of striped bass here, plenty of togs. We're gonna get this guy back in the water. Maybe try and get one or two more before we call it a day. Go grab some food, maybe a couple beers. But look at how sharp those spines are on there. Jeez, that would not feel good in your hand. All right, let's get the release. Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
I might need the net on this one.
Yeah, I'm gonna see.
Jeez, it's smoking me. I hope he doesn't piling right now. That's something.
Woo.
Just blow up the dang camera.
Where'd the...
Here, I'll take that.
And that's right here. It's right here. It's coming up. It's a real nice fish. Got him. Oh boy, here we go. Got him.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, son.
Woo!
Yeah, that's what I'm talking
That's
about.
a killer fish.
That's a killer
That's a way to
fish.
end the night, brother.
Woo!
No joke. He's like, yeah, if you just twitch it a couple times, pause it like this.
First.
Wow, man.
Yeah, boy.
Woo. Catching pigs. What'd you catch that on?
On the gizzard shad.
On the gizzard shad.
Nice 26 incher, 26 and a half. Just let her go.
Oh, good.
Yeah,
Nice work, man.
there we go.
So this is gonna be a wrap here, fishing in New Jersey with Chase. He put us on some pretty awesome fish, man. We appreciate you taking the time, showing us what we got to do here.
Yeah,
and
man.
I think the day went pretty well. What'd you say?
That was a good night. Good night for South Jersey fishing.
Yes, sir. Got striper, got tog. Checked a couple fish off the bucket list, and
Some saltwater stripers. Some
saltwater,
real ones.
proper striper. That
Real
was the
ones.
ticket. So tomorrow we're gonna be checking out the Tackle Direct store, giving you guys updates for what they're carrying and everything. We appreciate them hosting us and appreciate you showing us around. So
Yeah, man. Good
Well,
luck up in the Cape.
thanks, man. It's nice meeting you. Nice fishing with you.
Yeah.
Hope to see you soon.
Absolutely. Yeah, I'm walking here! With driver.
Catching pigs with Eric, man. Big boy back in the water. Good peacock here.